Problems based on areas of circle. First one, if a square is inscribed in a circle find the ratio of the areas of the circle and the square. Let me get the figure first. The circle and square is inscribed in circle at ABCD is a square. Now it's asking to find the areas of the circle and square ratio. Now if we join the diameter, it's nothing but the diagonal of square. Solution: let ABCD is a square inscribed in a circle of center O. Let BD is the diagonal of a square and also diameter of circle. Let side of a square equals to a units, then diagonal is root 2a. Therefore BD length, which is diagonal, is root 2a, length of diagonal of a square. Then and also BD is diameter and diameter BD length equals to root 2a. Therefore radius of the circle R equals to root 2 by 2a, means R equals to a by root. Since root 2 by 2 can be written as root 2 into root 2, so root 2 root cancel, a by root 2. Now ratios of the areas. Area of the circle is pi r square is to side square. See, to side square, area of this square. Now in the place of r, a by root 2, so pi into a by root 2 whole square is to square side is a square, then you'll get pi a square by 2, a square root 2 whole square means square and root will cancel, is to a square will cancel, then pi by 2 is to 1 or pi is to 2. This is the ratio of the circle to the square which is inscribed in the same circle. Going for the next question. The area of the area of a circle inscribed in an equilateral triangle is 154 centimeter square. Find the perimeter of the triangle where pi equals to 22/7, root 3 equals to 1.73. Yes. But ABC is equal to triangle. Let it be. Side is A and A. Now we need 3A, and moreover this is the in radius R. Now first get the value of R. Area of circle given, what he given is 154 centimeter square. Means pi r square equals to 154. 22/7 into r square equals to 154. 22 ones, 27s. Then r square equals to 7. Bring to here 7 into 7. R equal to 7 centimeters. So this is 7 centimeters. Now join. If you observe that this is circle center, that means in circle. So in center. So generated by I. Okay. Let it be I itself, denoted by I. Now join A and I. Let I is in center of a circle. That means radius I, let it be D, equals to ID equals to 7 centimeters. Now AD also a median. So a median, because this is in center as well as centroid. In equilateral triangle, because he mentioned that it is equilateral triangle. Equilateral triangle, all those centers are equal. All the points are equal. Centroid, circumcenter, in center, or the center lies at the same spot. So I also a centroid. Now so median and I is centroid. I divides median AD into 2:1 ratio. Okay. Now if A is the side of the equilateral triangle, AD equals to altitude length at root 3/2A. Yes. Now AD is divided as AI is to ID equals to 2:1. Okay, that means AI by ID equals to 2/1. Now that means AD should be divided into 3 equal parts. So observe this, 3 equal parts means root 3/3 into half, means 1/2 root 3 is one part into 2. So 1/root 3 is 1/root 3 is 2 parts. So AI equals to 1/root 3A, means dividing this total into 3 parts and taking 2 parts, because AI is 2 parts, is 1 part. ID radius 7 centimeters equals to, that means A by root 3 equals to 14. From this A equals to 14 root 3 and perimeter of triangle equals to 3a. That means 3 into 14 root 3 will gives 42 root 3 centimeters. Going for the next question. The radii of two circles. The radii of two circles are 8 centimeters and 6 centimeters respectively. Find the radius of the circle. Radius of the circle having its area equal to the sum of the areas of the two circles. Let radii of two circles r1 equal to 8 centimeters, r2 equals to 6 centimeters, and radius of big circle in which area of big circle is equal to the area of these two circles, capital R. Now what it told, area of the big circle must be equal to the sum of the areas of these two circles. That means pi r square must be equals to pi r1 square plus pi r2 square. That means pi r square equals to pi r1 square plus r2 square. Yes, pi will cancel. R square equals to r1 square plus r2 square. Now r square equal to r1 square, that means 8 square, r2 square, that means 6 square. That means capital R square equals to 64 plus 36, capital R square equals to 100. That means r equal to under root 100. You will get 10 centimeters. That is the radius of the circle which having the area equal to the sum of the areas of these two circles. Going for the next question. The radii of two circles are 19 centimeters and 19 centimeters and 9 centimeters respectively. Find the radius of the circle having its area equal. Find the radius, sorry, find the radius and area of circle which has its circumference equal to sum of the circumferences of the two circles. Solution: let radii of two circles R1 equals to 19 centimeters, R2 equals to 9 centimeters. Now radius of bigger circle having the circumference equal to the sum of the circumference of these two circles equal to capital R. Now as a given, 2 pi r is equals to the 2 pi r1 plus 2 pi r2. Then 2 pi capital R equals to 2 pi common, then r1 plus r2 will left here, 2 pi cancel, then r equals to r1 plus r2, capital R equals to 19 plus 9, then capital R equals to 28, because as a given information the circumference of bigger circle must be equal to the circumference of these two circles. It was we had. Now we got capital R equals 28 centimeters, then area of circle, area of a circle equals to pi r square, capital pi r square, pi into 28 into 28, the place of pi 22 by 7 into 28 into 28, 7174. Then you will get 22 into 4 into 28, that means 22 into 28 fours, 112. Then you'll get 2240 plus 224. Multiplying will get 2464 centimeters square. This is the area. Problems based on area circles part 2. Question number 1. The area enclosed between the concentric circles is 770 centimeters square. If the radius of the outer circle is 21 centimeters, find the radius of inner circle. Solution: let me get the figure first. This is outer circle, inner circle. Concentric circle means both the circle have the same center, common center. That is called concentric circles. Now this is the inner circle, this is the outer circle, and given the radius of outer circle as 21 centimeters, and he given out this area enclosed between the concentric circles. That means area of the ring, generally we call it as area of the ring. This is the shaded part. This is given. So this is nothing but the area of the ring. Area of ring given as 770 centimeters square. 770 centimeters square. Now, and also given outer radius capital R equals to 21 centimeters. Let inner radius equals to small r. Now area of the ring again. What is the formula of area of the ring? Area of the ring equals to pi capital R square minus pi small r square. That's what Bigger circle minus smaller circle give the area between these two circles. That means pi into capital R square minus capital small r square. That should be equal to 770. So 22 by 7. Capital R is given as 21 square. 21 square minus small r square equals to 770. Now 11 to 1170s, 2 ones, 235s. Now bring 7 to this side, you'll get 21 squared minus r square equals to 35 into 7. Now 441 minus r square equals to 35 into 7. So 35 into 7, 25, 21, 245. Bring r square this side, 245, that's it. Then you will get r square equals to 441 minus 245, and r square equals to 441 minus 245, 196. Then r equals to under root of 96. Then from this r equals to 14 centimeters. So this is how to get the r. Going for the next problem. Steel Y when bent in the form of a square encloses an area of 121 centimeters square. If the same wire is bent in the form of a circle, find the area of the circle. Find the area of the circle. Let me get the solution first. So before that, first of all, given that the steel wire is bent in the form of a square, and that means wire is used to form the square, and same wire is used to form the circle, and he given the area is 121 centimeters square, and we have to find the area of this. So we know the formula for area of the circle, pi r square. That means we need the r first of all. Okay, now given that area of the square formed, equals to 121 centimeters square. That means let the side is a square equals to 121, then a equals to under root 121, that equals to 11 centimeters. So you got a equal to 11 centimeters. If you observe that when you change the shape, area will change but perimeter will not change. That means the perimeter of the square must be equal to the circumference of the circle. Therefore perimeter of a square must be equals to circumference of a circle. That means perimeter of the square equals to, so what is the formula for circumference circle? 2 pi r must be equals to 4 into a, perimeter of the circle. Then 2 pi r equals to 44 into a is 11, 2 ones, 2 twos. Now 22 by 7 into r equals to 2 into 11, 2 ones, 2 11s, 11 ones, 11 ones. From this r equals to 7 centimeters. Now you got the r, therefore area of circle, area of the circle equals to pi r square. That means 22 by 7 into r is 7 centimeters, 7 ones, 154 centimeters square. That was the area of the circle. Going for the third problem. The sum of radii of two circles is 140 centimeters, and the difference of their circumferences is 88. Find the diameter of circles. Find diameter of circles. Now solution. Let a radius of first circle equals to r1, radius of second circle equals to r2. Given that sum, that means r1 plus r2 equals to 140. Let it be equation 1. Now difference of circumferences, pi r1 minus 2 pi r1 minus 2 pi r2. Pi r1 minus 2 pi r2 equals to 88. Now take 2 common, so 2 pi common, you will get r1 minus r2 equals to 88. Then 2 into 22 by 7 into r1 minus r2 equals to 88. 22 ones, 22 fours, 2 ones, 2 twos. Therefore r1 minus r2 equals to, bring the 7 to this side, that 2 into 7, r1 minus r2 equals to 14 centimeters. Let it be 2. Solving 1 and 2. So 1 plus 2 will give r1 plus r2, r1 minus r2 on the left side, 140 plus 14 on the right side. This 2 will cancel. 2r1 equals to 154. From this, r1 equals to 154 by 2. That means 77. Now from the first equation, 77 plus r2 equals to 140, then r2 equals to 140 minus 77, r2 equals to 63. Now diameter of first circle equals to 2r1, that means 2 into 77, which gives 154 centimeters. The diameter of second circle equals to 2r2, that means 2 into 63, it gives 126 centimeters. Last problem in this session. The circumference of two circles or in the ratio 2:3. Find the ratio of their areas. Find the ratio of their areas. Solution. So 2 pi r1 by 2 pi r2 equals to 2 by 3, because he given the ratio of two circumference of different circles. 2 to cancel, pi cancel. That means r1 by r2 equals to 2 by 3. Now pi r1 square by pi r2 square, this is the ratio of the Area of the circles, pi cancel. R1 by R2 whole square. That means 2 by 3 whole square from 1. 4 by 9. That means the area ratio, the ratios of areas is 4:9. Problems based on area of the circles, part 3. First problem. A sector of a circle of radius 4 centimeters contains an angle of 30 degrees. Find the area of the sector. Let me get the figure first. So circle with center O and radius 4 centimeters. So this is also will be radius. Now it's asking to find the area of this, which making the angle 30 degrees. Therefore solution, area of the sector equals to x by 360 into pi r square, where x is the angle in the sector. So 30 by 360 into 22 by 7 into 4 into 4 r square. 0 0 cancel, 3 ones, 3 12s. So 1 by 12 into 22 by 7 into 4 into 4, 4 ones, 4 threes. So 88 by 21 centimeter square is the area of the sector. Next question. AB is called of a circle of radius 4 centimeters. Then length of chord AB equals to 4 centimeters. This also 4 centimeters. Find area enclosed by arc AB. Let me get the figure first. Circle with center O with radius 4 centimeters. Because OA is radius, OB is radius 4 centimeters. AB is the chord with 4 centimeters. Now he asking to find the area enclosed by the R AB. That means sector area. Solution. Given that radius equals to 4 centimeters, i.e. OA equals to OB equals to 4 centimeters, and also chord length AB equals to 4 centimeters. From this two we can say that triangle OAB equals to OB is an equilateral triangle. Now that means angle AOB equals to 60 degrees, because in the equilateral triangle angle made is obviously 60 degrees. Okay, now area of sector, area of this sector OAB equals to x by 360 into pi r square, where x equals to 60 by 360 into 22 by 7 into 4 into 4, 6166. 2 2s, 2 3s, 20 to 44 4s, 176 by 7 sorry 21, 7 3s are 21 centimeter square is the area of the sector formed by two radii and the chord. Question number 3. The minute hand of a clock is 10 centimeters long. Find the area of the face of the clock described by the minute hand from 8 a.m. to 8:25 a.m. Let this will be the clock. No, this will be the clock. Okay. Now 12, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Now it is 8 a.m. Sorry, 8 a.m. Length of the minute hand is 10 centimeters as given. If you observe, when the minute hand moves, it forms a circle. The path driven by the minute hand is circle. From 8 to 8:25 p.m. is the minute hand comes to here. That means it is a sector of the circle found by the radius 10 centimeters. Obviously we have to find solution. Length of the minute hand r equals to 10 centimeters given to 8:25. Means first we have to find the angle here and we'll get the area of this sector or area of the space area driven by the minute hand. Okay, now total angle equals to 360 degrees. Total parts clock divided equals to 12 parts. Yes, 1 2 3 4 5 12 parts. So angle in each part equals to 360 by 12, 12 ones, 12 threes, that equals to 30 degrees. Now angle in which minute hand cover from 8 a.m. to 8:35 a.m. equals to nothing but 5 parts. So 1 part, 2 part, 3 part, 4, 5 parts. Therefore angle x equals to, which is x equals to 5 into 30, that means 150 degrees. So 150 degrees. Now we have to find the area of the sector with radius r, that means 10 centimeters, angle 150, that means area of sector equals to x by 360 into pi r square. That means x is 150 by 360 into 20 by 7 into r is 10 into 10. So I can take this as 3.4 pi value. Okay, So 0 0 cancel. 3 5s, 3 12s. So 5 by 12 into 3.14 into 10 into 10 100. I'm taking pi as 3.14. Now 5 by 12 into 3.14 into 100, 314. Now 2 table, 2 6, 2 1s, 2 5s, 2 7s. Therefore 157 into 5 divided by 6. So some 5 is 35, 5 is 25 plus 3, 5, 3 will there. Sorry. Five sounds is 35, 3 will remain there. 5 is 25 plus 3 28. 5 ones are 5 plus 2 7. 785 by 6 centimeters square. This is the area described by the minute hand in the clock.